Hi, hello. So now we're going to see how to create VM in Google Cloud, GCP. So when I log into the console.cloud.google.com, there is an option to go to navigation menu. When we click on the navigation menu, so once we log in, there's a welcome. So this is a welcome screen that we'll go to see here. Just scroll down here. When we click on this console button, sorry, see, we'll get in options like compute engine. So when I click on the compute engine, so on the right side you can see these are virtual instances, instance templates, tool, tenant nodes, machine images, TPUs, everything. So when I click on Google, sorry, in the VM instances, when I click on the VM instances, so the previous VM that we have created, it is still running and I have stopped it. Now there is an option to create instance. It is highlighted with the blue background. Just click here VM create instance. Now I'll get some options to change the name of the VM. Now I'll put this name as a VM2. Now I need to select, there is an option to select the region also. By default, the whichever the region which I already logged in, so this option is going to enable here. So now region which by default it is US-Central 1. Zone also I can select it. There are, I mean, in the particular, this region, there are multiple, four zones are there. So I have selected US Central iPhone here. Now, so when I click on the type of the instance here, there, so first you can see general purpose, compute optimize, memory optimize, storage optimize, and GPUs. Now, I'll select general purpose itself. When I click on the general purpose, there are multiple series of VM instances that are going to create here. So by default, I can select it as a E2. If I need to change from the E2 to C3, so what's the C3 here? You can see consistency, high performance. Now for this instance type, I can select from 4 CPUs to 192 virtual CPUs. So now 8 GB to 1536 GB. And what is a platform here? What exactly this platform here? Intel Sapphire. So just so this is in Intel Sapphire Rapids. So this is a platform. Now there is an option to change the operating system as well. By default, it is Debian GNU Linux 12. There's a bookworm that we can call. Now I would like to change it from Debian to Ubuntu. Just I'll type Ubuntu here. When I click on type Ubuntu, there is a two options that we got it here, Ubuntu and Ubuntu Pro. So now I select the version it is. So I'll select the version is 24. Now so here when deleting instance, so these are the options by default it is asking. Keep boot disk and delete boot disk. I'll select delete boot disk itself. When I click on Google Manage encryption key and cloud KMS key. So these are two other options. Now I'll select it. Now once I select it, you have to click on the networking part as well. So you can enable you can enable what kind of traffic that you would like to allow HTTP traffic, allow HTTPS traffic. So this is a secure traffic that we can say, allow load balancer LCX as well. Now, so these are the options that are already selected. Now I'll click on create. See, when we click on create instance, so by default, so what is the name that we have given earlier? It is a VM. So this VM is being created now. It'll take some time, guys. So we need to wait for some time. So if you want to see the what is the progress of the VM creation, just click on refresh button. So you'll see this. So it's still being created.